Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to engrave your logo into the model using Exocad. As the first step, you have to convert your 2D image into a 3D STL file. And one quick free way to do that is using this website image to STL. You'll have the option of choosing different formats. For the sake of this presentation, I'm choosing the STL output. When you scroll down, you get to upload your file. That's the 2D image that I had. You can close the ad. And on this page, I would choose extrude high quality, and I'll remove the background. I'll change the parameters to centimeters, maybe 30. Leave it at that. Do 15 here. And when I click convert, you will see your file being converted to an extruded image, which is exactly what we need. You click on download. It's downloaded in a zip format. You extract it where you need it to be. And then we're going to use that file in Exocad. So we have loaded up a case in Exocad, and in this case it's a splint, which we're going to use the models. And we have to go to expert mode and select the model of interest, the upper one in this case. And then we'll go to freeform model. We'll go to attachment. If you want to do an engraving, you'll have to choose subtract. Otherwise, if it's like a protruding logo, you can use add. For this case, I'm using subtract. Then you open the drop down menu and choose load from file. Then you will go to where you extracted the STL file from previous page. You can choose rotate. It's more of an alignment with the model. And then you get to move your logo, which is the object technically, to where you need it to be. If you need to adjust the size of it, you can use scale option and hold down control button to scale it down or up. Should be the right size. You can also scale it in the Z direction without holding down control button. You just drag the object to give it a bit of a depth. Then looking from the side, I'll choose move to freely move it around. If it's not aligned perfectly, say there's a bit of inclination, wouldn't affect the outcome very much, but to just have the optimum output is better to have the proper alignment. Then you will have to move the object down onto the model to the desired depth, roughly. And when you've done so, you hit apply. Then your logo is engraved onto the model like so. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.